Assalamu alaikum my dear friends, this is Rajiv Hussain. Welcome back to my another new video. So today I am going to talk about how to improve your speaking English. I think this topic is a very crucial all of us. So keep watching the video into the time. I hope you can also learn from this video. Let's get started. Now I am going to share some steps and you can follow these steps so you will be able to improve your speaking English. Step number 1, practice every day. Practice is the one of the most important part of speaking English. There is a saying that practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes a man efficient. So if you want to become a fluent speaker, if you want to improve your speaking English, so you have to practice a lot. You have to practice consistently. You have to practice every single day. Actually, we want to speak in English, but we don't practice regularly. That is our main problem. If you want to become a fluent speaker, so you have to practice consistently. Step number 2, listening. Listening is also one of the most important part of speaking English. You know, when we are a child, at that time we can't speak any language. But at that time we used to listen a lot. Gradually, we have learned to speak by listening. That is the natural way. So if you want to improve your speaking English, so you have to listening consistently. And step number 3, think in English. Think in English is also important of speaking English. You can ask me question, how do you think in English? I think it is very easy. Whatever you do, your daily activity, you think in English. Actually, we want to speak in English, but we don't think in English. So if you want to speak in English, so you have to think in English. That is reality. Finally, step number 4, record yourself. Now you can ask me question, how is possible? How do you record myself? Actually, if you to build your confidence, so you have to record. That is how when you get free time, at the time open your phone camera and record the video, your daily activity. And you can apply another way. You can practice in front of mirror. Finally, I would like to say that you can use this step. You will be able to improve your speaking English. So that's all for today for the time being. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.